Woohoo! Ain't metal work fun? So the goal, guys, is to try to just save as much of this material as we can without hacking all of this apart. So I'm trying to save as much. This here hub we don't need. That'll be replaced by the Honda. We just got to keep much of this tubing so I don't have to rebuild these whole swing arms. Got the bottom completely cut off, but the top kind of joins. It's got a problem right here. I can't get to the back side of this tube. Hopefully I can get down in here. I don't care if I cut this a little bit. It's not going to hurt anything. I can always re-weld it. Just got to get in there and make some clean cuts through this tube here. See if we can do this way here. As far as we can get with that guy. All the way through there and there. Just may have a little piece left. Tungsten went for a swim. Went for a swim. It's alright though. Got that welded up on there. Now let's get that little teeny piece right there. I'm gonna go that way. Do a little massaging with the hammer.
It's all about humanity.
All I'm saying. All right, we back. We back, you two. I looked up, the camera had died. We got it. We got it. Hey man, while we're getting this metal ready, guys, remember, if you like what you're seeing, throw us a like, man, subscribe, hit that bell, get the notifications when we get the new videos up. They're always coming. Never know when though. Hit that bell, you'll know. Like I said, guys, thanks for everything, you guys, all the watches. Kind of helps out, man. You know, we're just trying to get this channel started, so any little bit helps, man. Any little bit helps. Let's get this tacked and we'll finish tapping this backside down here.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
What do spirits say?